Hello and welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'll be taking a look at two stocks, which is Axis Bank and Titan. Now before I look at these stocks, when I was going through the Nifty 50 list over the weekend, I saw that now currently there are a lot of Nifty 50 stocks that are starting to look very positive, which before were not. A lot of stocks which were stuck within a box range from quite some time in the Nifty 50 and the Nifty 100 are now basically starting to show signs of having a clean breakout. So I would say the coming 1 to 2 weeks will be very important for certain stocks which have not been able to perform in the past few weeks and months. This is as they're coming out of the waiting period and are most likely going to give us very good moves in the coming sessions. Now on to the first stock which you're looking at is Axis Bank. Now Axis Bank has been trading in a box range. As first it basically was trading, I'll put a dot system, 1 second, I'll activate the dot. Yeah, now basically first it was trading within a box range in this area, and then it had a gap down when the whole market had fallen a while back, and then started trading in the box range here. But now I believe Axis Bank has the potential of doing very well in the coming sessions. But it will all depend on a few factors. Now the first factor is if it can take out the key resistance zone at 1111.50. I say this as basically we can see that if we look at the past for clarification, that whenever the high volume bars have come up, we saw the up move which happened. We got one high volume bar and which propelled to a second high volume bar, then to an up move. Now here we managed to get two high volume bars formed, and those two high volume bars were being stopped by the 50-day moving average, but they managed to pull through the thing. Now if we are able to take out 1111.50, then Axis Bank will be touching 1135 to 1150, which will be the next main hurdle. If it clears that, then we'll be going to 1190. In basically most of the probable scenarios, we will be doing 1135 to 1150, and there is a good chance we will even reach 1190. Naturally, it will not be a clean move. This is as it will be having to go through multiple resistance zones that have been etched into the stock from a while. As I say that, let's say 1135 to 1150, if we look at it, has been stopping the stock from beginning of December last year. So these are major resistance zones that will have to be broken. But the reason I believe they might be broken now is simply we have had two high volume bars, and the probability of us having a good move after that is rather positive. Plus one of my other indicators has started coming above zero. If we can manage to sustain above that for the next few sessions, then we will reach 1190 in a very comfortable manner in the coming weeks. Now the second stock we're looking at is Titan. When we look at Titan, we see Titan has been also in roughly the same issue, but Titan has a different problem. Now Titan has a high volume bar which was to the downside, which formed roughly on 1st February, and then we saw that it did end up going down to, it basically ended up dropping from roughly, let's say, 3,680 to 3,500 rupees. So now Titan is trying to come out of the whole thing, and it will be very important for us to see if Titan can manage to take out the top of this high volume bar, which is, we can see, even stopped the stock from having an up move on Friday. As the whole of last week, the stock has been trying to break through that, and it has struggled. However, on Friday we saw some positivity, as my other indicator has managed to cross back above the zero mark, and now if it is able to break above 3739.75, then Titan will be reaching the next target, which is between 3860 and 3910. That is a zone that is going to be very important, and then above that there is another zone which is at 4020. Now all of it is basically being based on the high volume candles plus the other trending indicators which I have made. So as of now, both Titan and Axis Bank look like they're on a trajectory to go up, they have been basing out from quite some time. Like if you see Titan from January, basically, it has from mid-Jan it has been trying to take off, but it ended up having a slump. So, but now I believe it is ready. Is you can take out 39.75, then it's going to have a rally. On the other hand, it has to hold the key supports at this zone. If it doesn't hold these two, then it will go down to the next one. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you did like it, then do hit the like button, as it costs nothing, and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.